Miyagi right here, Sweat Daily. I'm trying out a spin studio, cycling studio today. This is one of those funky new places that actually shuts the door if you don't make it on time. So, and I missed the last class. I booked in for an earlier class, and I missed it because I was like 5 minutes late, and they shut the door on me, man. So I'm going in for a 9 o'clock class. All right. Check it out. Still closed. What's happening? Getting on some new shoes. These are some cool new shoes I'm going to be rocking. This is the place. Going there. Pretty nice changing area for this facility. Got the members on the top there. As you can see, just nice waiting area. Go in there in a bit. 9 o'clock class. Pretty good. Alright, haven't been on a bike since I was a kid, but it looks good. So on the bike they've got the towel here, and yeah, on my bottle in the back there they've got you can put weights on. Pretty good, pretty good. Don't really need to bring my towel. In the back here we got some weights. Still haven't figured out how to do the shoots yet, but it's all good. We'll learn.
So just do what you can. Come down into the saddle. Focus on the rhythm in the saddle. And then once you have that rhythm, we can rise up. Same thing goes with the arm movement. If you're not working, you're like, what is going on? Just focus on that rhythm. Rise. At any point, come down. Okay? I will guide you. I won't make you push you, but you're in control. Okay? You're in control of that resistance style. I will call it that. Resistance style here. That's what we got.
It's a beautiful Saturday. And apparently, it's going to be a big storm coming. We've had floods in Auckland, and this weekend's supposed to be really bad. But hey, Saturday is sunny, beautiful day, and the class was real different. Not like your usual spin class. It was almost like a choreography plus spin class. Got bits of body weight training in there, weight training in there. Yeah, a bit of everything really. But I recommend it. Not for everyday training, but if you are a strength guy like myself, you want to do some sporadic cardio training, this will be good one for you, definitely. And yeah, until next time, stay sweat daily, and have a sweaty one, y'all.